Hi friends, good morning. Another very most important topic we are going to discuss, that is the balancing of equation. I have written some equation on the board to discuss with you and how to balance the equation. Any chemical reaction you observed, it must be balanced chemical equation. Balance equation means what? Number of left hand side elements will be equal to number of right hand side elements. Number of element both the sides should be same. That is to be said balance equation. And balance equation is followed error and correction. There is the error, you have to make it correct. This is the error and correction. You see, we have written some equation and we will make error. Then again we will see, is it balanced? If it is not balanced, we must delete coefficient and we have to put another coefficient to make number of element both the side equal. So error and correction is the motto of balancing equation. So first we are having first equation. This is the topic, balancing the equation. Balancing the equation. This is the topic. So we are having phosphorus atom 4 left hand side. Right hand side also 4. So phosphorus atom is balanced. At element phosphorus is balanced. Now second reactant is oxygen is 2 atom. Right hand side oxygens are 10 atoms. So to make 2 to 10, we have to put over here 5. So it is 10 oxygen atom left hand side and 10 oxygen atom right hand side. This is the balance equation. Again, phosphorus atom 4 left hand side, phosphorus atom 4 right hand side. Oxygen left hand side were 2, right hand side were 10. Multiply by 5, coefficient 5, 2s are 10, means 5 will multiply with 2. Total atom oxygen will 10 left hand side and right hand side also 10. Clear? આવડી ગયું ગુજરાતીમાં. આવડી ગયું. આવડવું જોઈએ. Need practice. Lead sulfide. So lead is 1 left hand side, right hand side also 1. Sulfide is also 1, right hand side also 1. Clear? Lead and sulfide are balanced. Now we will see the oxygen. Oxygens are 2 over here. Here oxygen 2 and 1. There are 3. So we must put over here 2. 2 2s are 4. So we must put over here 2. 2 2s are 4. But lead is 2. Then we have to put over here 2. Sulfide is also 2. We have to put over here 2. Then problem arise. So we will not put over here 2. Compulsory it is 2. Put over here. Oxygen total 3. We will put over here 2. Then it is 4. Then PB1, S is 1, S is 1, O is 4. We must put over here 2 over here. So O is 4. If here will be 2 PB, then there will be 2 PB. S will be 2, here is S will be 1, put over here 2, S is 2, but oxygen is how much? 2 and 4, 6, here is oxygen 4, so we must put over here 3. Now it is balanced. Error and correction. Check again. 2 lead, 2 sulfide, 3 to the 6 oxygen, 2 oxygen and 4 oxygen. It is balanced equation. You must put coefficient, then you must delete it if it is not balanced. Error and correction. Third one. Here is lead 3. So here is lead 1, here is 2, total 2. So what will we do? We will put over here 2. Lead 2 and 1, 3 balance. Now what happened? N is 2 to the 4. Here is N only 1. So we must put over here 4. So lead 3, lead 2 and 1, 3. N 2 to the 4, N 4. Now turns will come for the oxygen and hydrogen. So oxygen 4, here 4 3s are 12, means 4 plus 12, it is 16, left hand side. Right hand side, 3 to the 12, 3 to the 6 to the 12, here is 12 oxygen, here is 2 oxygen, 12 to 14, here is 1 oxygen, so we must put over here 2, then it is 2 oxygen, then it is also 16. So oxygen is balanced now. Now we will check hydrogen is balanced or not balanced. Hydrogens are 4. Here you can clearly see that hydrogens are 4. So it is balanced equation. Oxygen balance, lead balance, nitrogen balance, hydrogen balance, total number of element both the side are equal. That is called balancing equation. Again repeating. Lead 3, 2 lead and 1 lead, it is 3. Oxygen 4 and 12, total 16. Oxygen 3 to the 6 to the 12, here is 2, then 14 and here is 2, it is 16, total completed. Nitrogen 2 to the 4, nitrogen 4. Hydrogen, here are the 4, hydrogens here are also 4. It is balanced equation. Very easy, very simple. You just write down without balancing equation and try to solve yourself. You must practice it. Without practice you cannot balance it. Till standard 10 you are remembering equation balance with coefficient. Now in 11th 12th you must remember only reaction. Reactants are what and products are what. Equation balance should be done by you. Last one, Cu2, no problem. S1, no problem. Oxygen are here 2, 1 and 3, 2. So we must put over here 2. Then what will happen? Total oxygen will be, we must put over here 2. Oxygen is balanced, 2 and 2, 4. So oxygen is 2. Now Cu is 2. So we must put over here 2. Cu is 4. So 2 to the 4. Now sulfur is how many? Here is sulfur 2 and here is 1. So here is sulfur 4 and here is only 1. So what we will do? We will put over here 2. Sulfur 2, balance. Now check it. Copper 4, sulfur 2, oxygen 4, oxygen 2 and here is 4, 6. Now oxygen is 6. 3 2s are 6. Balance equation. Error and correction. Put coefficient, try to balance it. If it is not balanced, then delete the coefficient, put new coefficient. After all, both the side elements must be equal. This is the balancing equation. So in your textbook you are given so many equations. You have to send me homework. You have to take unbalanced equation, balance yourself and send me as a homework on my number by WhatsApp. So this is very interesting and very important topic. Balancing equation will help you to understand so many reactions. So today I am concluding this topic, and send me homework. Try to revise 2-3 times my video lecture. Thank you very much.